this question, okay, before solving the problems, first I will explain you how to convert kilometer per hour to meter per second and meter per second to kilometer per hour. So first one is how to convert this kilometer per hour to meter per second. This is the unit of speed. Okay, so this is kilometer is the unit of distance and hour is the unit of time. So here meter is the unit of distance and second is unit of time. So how to convert this kilometer per hour to meter per second? So here first you write 1 kilometer per hour. So here you can write 1 kilometer divided by 1 hour. So see, we have to convert this kilometer into meter. So we know in 1 kilometer there are 1000 meters. So in place of 1 kilometer you write 1000 meter. Similarly 1 hour. Okay, how to convert 1 hour to second? So we know in 1 hour there are 60 minutes. Okay, and in 1 minute there are 60 seconds. So to convert minute into second you have to multiply by 60. So this will become second. So 3600 seconds. That means 1 hour is 3600 seconds. In 1 hour there are 3600 seconds. So in place of 1 hour you write 3600 seconds. So cancel this 0 then 2 5s are 10, 2 18s are 36. So 5 by 18 meter per second. That means in 1 kilometer per hour there is 5 by 18 meter per second. So to convert this kilometer per hour to meter per second, you just have to multiply by 5 by 18. Now next is how to convert meter per second to kilometer per hour. So simply first you write 1 meter per second. Means 1 meter divided by 1 second. See, we are converting meter into kilometer. So meter is smaller unit and kilometer is greater unit. So to convert smaller unit to greater unit, you have to always divide. Okay, so here you have to divide this meter by 1000. Okay, to make it kilometer. Then to convert this second into hour, you have to divide by 3600. So this 1 by 1000 into right, it's reciprocal. Okay, upside down. So 3600 divided by 1. Cancel 0. So 2 18s are 36, 2 5s are 10. So 18 by 5 kilometer per hour. So to convert meter per second to kilometer per hour, you have to multiply by 18 by 5. Okay, now we will start first question. Okay, first question of exercise 9.5. So first is convert 15 meter per second to kilometer per hour. So this meter per second, okay, you have to convert to kilometer per hour. So to convert meter per second to kilometer per hour, I have already told that you have to multiply by 18 by 5. So first you write 15 meter per second. Okay, so we have to convert this meter per second to kilometer per hour. So you just multiply this 15 by 18 divided by 5. Now cancel 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 50. So 3 into 18 is 54. So 54 kilometer per hour. So 15 meter per second is equal to 54 kilometer per hour. Now next question number 2. Convert 126 kilometer per hour to meters per second. So here this kilometer per hour you have to convert into meters per second. Okay. So here 126 kilometer per hour. Then to convert kilometer per hour to meter per second, we have to multiply by 5 divided by 18. Okay. So you cancel it. 2 9s are 18. 2 6 are 12. 2 3s are 6. 9 1s are 9. 9 7s are 63. So 7 into 5 35. So 35 meter per second. So 126 kilometer per hour is equal to 35 meter per second. Now before doing question number 2, okay, before starting question number 2, I will give you some formula. Okay, formula of speed, distance and time. So here now you have to learn how to find the speed, time and distance. Okay, so here I have made one diagram. Okay, D, S and T. Okay, I have written like this. So from here I will derive formula of speed, distance and time. So first one is speed. S is speed. Okay, so speed, to find the speed you have to do distance divided by time. So its formula is distance divided by time. So speed is distance divided by time. Similarly for time, distance divided by speed. So time is distance divided divided by speed. And at last, to find the distance, speed into time. So here it is, distance is speed into time. So these three formulas we have to learn to solve next questions. Okay, now question number 3. Find the speed of the following. Okay, number A. A boy running 260 km in 6 hours. So here you have to find the speed of boy. Okay, so distance traveled by that boy is 260 km. So distance D is 260 km. And time taken by that boy is 6 hours. So time T is 6 hours. So you have to find the speed. So speed is, its formula is distance divided by time. So distance is 260 km and time is 6 hours. So cancel with 2, 2 3s are 6, 230. So 130 divided by 3. So here is rough work. Okay, 3. When you divide 130 by 3, you will get 43.333. Okay, it will repeat. So we will stop there only, 43.3 km per hour. So speed of that ball is 43.3 km per hour. Okay, now question number B. Okay, a car traveling for 70 km in 2 hours 12 minutes. So here distance traveled by the car is 470 km and time taken is 2 hours 12 minutes. So you have to find the speed of car. Okay, so distance is given 470 km and time T is given 2 hours 12 minutes. So this 12 minutes, first you have to convert into hours. So to convert minute into hours, you have to divide by 60 because you are converting the smaller unit to bigger unit. Okay, hour is bigger than minute, so you have to divide by 60. So 12 ones are 12, 12 fives are 60. So this is 2 plus 1 by 5 hours. Now take LCM. Okay, LCM of 1 and 5 is 5. So 1 here you have to multiply by 5 and here you have to multiply by 1. So this is 2 into 5, 10 plus 1 into 1, 1. So this is 11 by 5 hours. So time taken by that car is 11 by 5 hours. So we will find speed. Speed is distance divided by time. So distance is 470 km and time is 11 by 5 hours. So this, okay, we will write here, we will write its reciprocal. Reciprocal means upside down. So here 470 is not divisible by 11. So we will just multiply 470 and 5, which is 2350 divided by 11. So on division you will get 213.63 km per hour. So this is the speed of